This is how to recover the deleted photos or the videos from your Android phone. So let's get into it. So the 100% safe method is to simply install an application which is named as Files by Google. You can install this application from your Play Store. Simply open your Play Store and then search here for Files by Google. But the point is that you will find a lot of the applications related to this search, but you just need to install this application which is named as File by Google. So once you're done, you have to just simply open it, and now I can show you the method that how can we recover the deleted videos. Like I just select here these videos and then simply delete it from my videos folder. Let me delete this video as well, and you can see that the three files or the videos has been deleted from here. So now let's move to the method to recover these deleted videos or the files. So for this you have to just simply click on the three lines at the very top left corner and now click on the trash. So basically all your deleted files, videos or the photos will be stored here in your trash bin. So in order to recover your deleted files, you have to simply select all these files and then click on restore. Again click on restore, and right after that you can see that from here the files has been removed. Now let me check that the videos are restored or not, and you can see that the three videos are here. So that's how can you recover your videos.